Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at Capital One, specifically their website at capitalone.com. Navigating the world of financial institutions can be tricky, and it's important to have all the information you need before making any decisions. So, let's dive in and explore what Capital One has to offer online. Capital One's website serves as a central hub for managing your finances, whether you're banking, borrowing, or investing. From credit cards with various perks and rewards programs to checking and savings accounts, they offer a range of products designed to meet diverse financial needs. Their online platform allows users to access account details, make payments, track transactions, and even apply for new services. Beyond everyday banking, Capital One provides resources for learning about personal finance. You can find articles and tools to help you budget, save for the future, and understand complex financial topics. They also offer various loan options, from auto loans to home loans, and provide information to help you choose the right borrowing solution. Their website features a robust security system to protect your personal and financial data. With multiple layers of authentication and encryption, they strive to ensure the safety of your online transactions. Additionally, the Capital One website offers customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and secure online messaging. You can also find answers to frequently asked questions in their comprehensive help center. They strive to provide a user-friendly online experience, making it easy to manage your accounts and access the information you need. From viewing your credit score to setting up automatic payments, Capital One aims to empower you to take control of your finances. Remember, managing your money effectively is crucial, and choosing the right financial institution is a significant step. Take your time, explore all your options, and do your research before making any commitments. This overview of Capital One's website is just a starting point. Be sure to check out their website yourself at capitalone.com to see all the details and decide if their services are the right fit for your financial goals.